Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold lines in Google Sheets to create clear borders and make your data stand out professionally. First, select your data range. Before you can apply any formatting, you need to tell Google Sheets exactly which cells need the bold lines. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the specific cells, rows, or columns you want to outline. If you want to bold the border for your entire table, you can click the empty rectangle in the top left corner, above row 1, to select the whole sheet. However, for most reports, just selecting the header row or the outer edges of your data works best. Next, open the Borders menu. Once your cells are highlighted, you'll find the Border tools in the main toolbar at the top of the screen. Click the Borders icon. It looks like a small 4-paned window. A drop-down menu will appear showing various placement options like all borders, outer borders, or horizontal borders. Don't click a placement yet. You need to set the line weight first to ensure the lines actually appear bold. Lastly, adjust line style and apply. This is where you transform thin, faint lines into thick, bold ones. In the Border drop-down menu, click the Border Style icon, the 3 horizontal lines of varying thickness. Select the thickest solid line from the list. After choosing the thick style, now select your desired placement, such as outer borders, to create a bold frame around your data. You can also change the border color, the pencil icon, in this same menu if you want the bold lines to be a specific color like navy or red for extra emphasis. And that's pretty much it. To bold lines in Google Sheets, highlight your cells, click the Borders icon, and go to Border Style to select the thickest line weight. Finally, choose your border placement to apply the bold lines exactly where you need them to organize your spreadsheet. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.